Hey guys, so I've just finished installing these new smart curtains in my rental home and I'm super excited to share with you all about it, and we're gonna start right now. These smart curtains are powered by Somfy and they specialize in turning regular curtains into motorized, automated, and voice-activated curtains. Before I dive into the details, I just want to share my initial observations, and I am extremely impressed. It's very easy to use, very low maintenance, and they're extremely quiet, which is the thing that I value the most. Once you try it, you're gonna think that motorized blinds are the new normal. We're already using smart technology in pretty much every aspect of our lives, so why not blinds as well? So what motivated me to get smart blinds? Well, at first, I didn't think smart blinds were for me at all until I went and saw them at my friend's place. They were so impressive and I really wanted them for myself, but I thought no way would I be able to do so because I'm renting. Most landlords, they're not really happy about renovating and making your own adjustments to their place, especially if you have to mess with wiring. But when I found out that their motorized blinds were powered by battery, that changed everything because I didn't have to worry about if I did decide to move, I would also be able to bring those blinds with me. So that was a big win. The WireFree product that I ordered uses a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which can be found in most portable electronics that we use, as well as in smart cars. So there's more than enough power to handle these blinds. They say that the battery lasts between 8 to 10 months, and I've had my blinds now for just over 8 months, and still they're working perfectly fine. Only recently did the low power battery indicator start blinking, and even then it's still operating as usual. It could probably last for another month or so, but I think it's probably about time that I start charging. The way to charge the battery is really easy. There's this small port that you just have to plug in. It's kind of like charging your smartphone, except you only have to do it maybe once or twice a year. It's slightly different with the wire-free curtain. With that one, you can pull out the battery from the motor, and then you have a little USB wire that allows you to charge, and just plug this in to any USB port. And then when you're done, you just slot it back in. When it comes to controlling my smart blinds, there are several different options, but my favorite has to be the scheduling. This allows me to control the blinds according to time to suit my lifestyle needs. For me, the curtains are set to open at 7 a.m. on weekdays. So this allows me to wake up with natural light, and it's the best feeling to not have to be woken up by an alarm clock. Then, of course, there's the evening where I schedule it to close at around 10:30, especially now that I'm trying to sleep a little bit earlier in the day. It helps me as a little bit of a reminder to go to bed. When I want to have a bit of fun, I also have the option to use voice control. These smart blinds are compatible with Google Home and Alexa, so you can control any of your blinds by giving it specific voice commands. Just to show you how it works, for example, I can tell Google, "Hey Google, privacy."
Closing down the blinds now.
When I'm going to bed, I can tell Google, "Hey Google, go to sleep." And then Google will close the curtains and shut the lights via the Connect Soon app. And finally, of course, there's the remote control, the most straightforward way of controlling the blinds. But again, as I said earlier, I don't really have to use it because I have it all set up in the scheduling. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase. I am not one to go out and buy random things usually, but this was a very easy decision on my part. It really has made my life that much easier, and I can really see how it would help so many different people. I'm already imagining friends with elderly parents. You don't have to worry about them having to get up and sit down, get up and sit down just to close curtains. I have friends with kids who are running around and pulling on strings and things like that. And for them, you don't have to worry about safety hazards, all wire-free, all battery powered, so you have just like that extra simplicity and ease of mind. I would definitely recommend you check it out. If you have a place that maybe has unreachable ceilings because it's really high or the windows are super high, then it's probably perfect for that. I think everyone should have their life simplified in some way. This is one way to do so.